Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to get a quick informations about the weather of the day on your lock screen. So here is the way. Go open your settings, and right after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the wallpaper. Now you just need to go click them, and right after that there will be information about the current wallpaper that you have here. The left one or the left side will be the lock screen, and the right side will be your home screen. Now since we want to add the weather information on our lock screen, go click this customize on the left side. Right after that there will be an option right below the clock or clock, and then you just need to go click this add widget. Now you just need to scrolling down until you find weather, and then you just need to click them. And now you just need to pick what type of the weather informations that you want to have. If you want to have these conditions, they will show you the predictions as well as the temperature of the day. Go click it, and it already automatically added into your lock screen. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, and now you already have the weather information on your lock screen. So there is the way how to add the weather information on your lock screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.